Hello guys, I'm back. So today it's gonna be like a really short video. So we got right here. It's my one, two, three, four vacuums. So we got right here. It's my Bissell Powerful Helix or Compact. It's the Powerful Compact. I got black and decorative soul. The Salt. Now I deal with it. Or Deluxe, and the Double Power Max. So, this video is really quick. 7 minutes. So, yeah. Okay, so, that's what this one does. I'm not going to swing it apart, so I'm going to swing the disc up. So, this one, that's dust. This one does too. I'm really tired right now, so this video might be like 1 minute. This is so hard, just weird. So clean. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I just put something. Remember that? Me? Nope. Just kidding. Ugh, this is so annoying. I need, yeah. Okay. This guy hurts. So, this is just a nut. Well, so. Put it back where it was. So not hitting my vacuums, my old ones, my okay, so this one's in a black vehicle. Actually, this one, it does have a pretty good amount of dust in the filter. And this one, so much dust. So much dust. So that was the door. My vacuums. This goes on like 10 minutes, so yeah. Yeah, I'm quite tired right now, so I gotta go back to bed. So, I'll see you in the next video. And, peace out. Make sure to subscribe. So if I did make a video in an hour, or an hour, or so if I did make a video for a while, but it's just, this is 45 already, so it's just 50. So guys, so yeah. Alright, so just have to sit you guys down, eh? Okay. So this is time for breakfast. Okay, so yeah, bye.